Looking for the best desk for your 3-monitor setup? The right desk offers the perfect blend of space, stability, and style for your workspace. Today, we're exploring 3 top-notch desks, each with their own unique strengths. Links to buy all of the desks are in the description. First up, we have the Tribesigns Modern Computer Desk. This desk is a blend of style and functionality with its sleek design and robust construction. Measuring 70 inches wide, 31.5 inches deep, and 29 inches high, it provides ample space for a 3-monitor setup. It's available in multiple colors, so you can choose one that best fits your decor. The desk's heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame supports up to a whopping 900 pounds. Thanks to the added steel support bars, it won't buckle under pressure. Its adjustable steel legs add to its stability, even on uneven floors. The surface, crafted from engineered wood, is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also practical. It's easy to clean and resistant to light scratches. You'll appreciate the straightforward assembly of the Tribesigns desk. In under 30 minutes, you'll have it set up and ready for work. Plus, an 18-month warranty ensures peace of mind for a good couple of years. With its sturdy build and simple setup, this desk is a solid choice for any multi-monitor setup. Next, we have the ODK L-shaped computer desk with power outlet. This desk spans over 67.9 inches wide, 39.4 inches deep, and stands 35 inches tall. It not only accommodates 3 24-inch monitors comfortably, but optimizes your workspace like a pro. Its standout feature is the storage solutions. It comes with 2 file drawers, a printer cabinet, a 2-tier bookshelf, and a dedicated computer tower stand. Crafted from engineered wood and supported by a sturdy metal base with a powder-coated finish, this desk can hold up to 900 pounds. The surface is resistant to scratches and easy to clean. Plus, the built-in power outlet with 3 standard plug outlets and 2 USB ports eliminates cable clutter. For the gamers, there's adjustable LED lighting with 7 colors and 13 modes. Assembly is a breeze, and the desk comes with an 18-month warranty. With its ample storage and unique features, this desk is perfect for those who want to optimize their workspace. Finally, we have the VIVO Electric Height Adjustable Stand-Up Desk. This impressive piece of furniture measures a spacious 71 inches wide and 30 inches deep, comfortably hosting a 3-monitor setup. What sets this desk apart is its electric frame that adjusts smoothly between 29.2 to 48.4 inches in height, accommodating users of varying statures. The desk boasts a weight capacity of 176 pounds, more than enough for your monitors and other accessories. Its intuitive push-button controller, with 4 memory settings, allows for quick and easy height adjustments. And to keep your workspace clutter-free, the desk includes a handy cable management tray. Assembling the VIVO desk is a straightforward process, taking about 45 minutes. Its sturdy construction of particle board and steel is available in various color combinations, including black, light wood, vintage brown, and gray. With its adjustable height and sleek design, this desk is a fantastic choice for those seeking versatility and style. So, there you have it. 3 top-notch desks for your 3-monitor setup. The Tribesigns Modern Computer Desk offers traditional style with sturdy support. The ODK L-shaped computer desk not only accommodates your monitors, but also optimizes your workspace with clever storage solutions. And for those seeking flexibility, the VIVO Electric Height Adjustable Stand-Up Desk provides a dynamic work environment with its adjustable height feature. Remember, the best desk is one that meets your specific needs, so choose wisely and happy shopping.